in the previous administrations under the Democratic rule, the church was actually a welcome partner to the government, as we know. But under Chavez, it got more tight, and under Maduro, really tight to where it actually Bible translation and having people having God's word in their language was actually a not good thing. And the government had an opinion, and they actively took steps to stop that. And so when that, the very fundamental things that we as Christians want the world to share in, when those things are denied and actively undermined and persecuted, that's a challenge. And so you've got, I'm guessing, roughly 85% of the population in Venezuela and the 8 to 9 million that are outside of Venezuela, they are thrilled to death about what is happening.